welcome back to the vlog. So today I'm going to be creating a collection of different motifs, and this is going to be a collection for a special free print for my subscribers. So I'm thinking of creating a print that they can print out at home, and I'm also thinking of creating a really cute wallpaper as well. So I'm super excited. So come along and I'll show you exactly my thought process and how I like to start designing a collection. I'm making something that you can't buy, but before I get started on today's project, I'm finally framing some of my artwork. It feels like a reminder that this work deserves to exist outside my sketchbook. But while I'm looking at these finished pieces, I keep thinking about the people who follow my work but aren't yet in a place to collect yet. That's why I'm creating something completely for free. I'm making an exclusive printable art print for everyone on my collectors list, along with a matching phone wallpaper, because I want my art to have a place in your home, even if buying my work isn't possible right now. But I'm not just turning old paintings into a download, I'm starting from scratch, and that's what this video is about. Today I'm creating everything from scratch. I'm hand painting every single motif, designing a custom font, creating an art print, and then turning it into a matching phone wallpaper. But getting all those little pieces to feel like they actually belong together is a lot harder than expected, and that's why in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I design a print from scratch. Every time I think I've figured it out, sometimes it feels off. So it's all about experimenting, changing things as I go, and sometimes I have no idea what the final piece is going to look like. But if I can pull this off, it will be completely free for everyone on my email list.
For a minute, did you even feel it? Yeah, you felt it for a minute. Why, baby, why, baby, why, baby, why? I just wanna know. Why, baby, why, baby, why, baby, why? I just wanna know. It was in the air, it was a smile, I was humming.
I'm feeling a sea theme today. Whenever I create a print, I always start with just one idea. I never know how it's going to turn out. I just follow it and see where it takes me. Everything's been turning out as wine, seafood, little beach handbags, just really fun seaside theme. And I guess living by the sea in Hastings is starting to inspire my artwork. Have you ever been to Hastings? If you haven't, you should definitely come. It's a lovely seaside town and it's full of character, and I think it's rubbing off into all of my paintings. I'm just letting the brush lead the way, and hopefully all of these different motifs will come together into something you'd actually want to put on your wall. If you'd like to be one of the first people to get this free printable art print and the matching phone wallpaper, then click the link in my description or the pinned comment below. I love creating my own fonts. It's one of my favorite parts of the process because it adds so much personality to everything. I actually created quite a few custom fonts using this method. I used them across my website, my branding, and even some of my products. So every single project feels a little bit more like me. I use my very own handwriting, and I love how funky and wonky it is, but you can make yours more neat, of course, if you want to. The process is surprisingly simple. I use this website called Calligrapher. You can download their template, hand draw each letter, photograph or scan it, place everything onto the template in Canva, and then when you upload it back onto the website, you've got your very own font. I think it's pretty cool every single time it works. This font I'm creating for my free printable art, and it's going to look so beautiful. It's going to make the piece so much more personal, and it's just specifically for this free printable. I'm not going to use this font on anything else. So if you'd like a more in-depth tutorial showing you exactly how I make my custom fonts from start to finish, let me know in the comments and I'll make a tutorial.
Good to see you here. It's been a while since we've been together. I still feel that fire. Something between us is forever. Time can move so strange.
So now that I've created all of my different letters, the next step is for me to either photograph or take it into scan. Now, I don't have a scanner, so I prefer to use my DSLR to take high resolution photos of my art. And that's how I like to scan my work in. So that's the next step. I'm going to take high resolution pictures, then I'll remove the background, and that's how I'll start creating my very own custom font. I'm so excited to share this with you all.
Pack your bags for the weekend. I just booked our flights. Let's go see a show in Mexico, yeah. Laugh and dance all night. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, name a place you wanna see, yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in Ibiza, chillin' all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change. That'll never change. We should ride a bike round Amsterdam. Feel the breeze taking the sights. Hand in hand through the streets of Paris, girl. Having fun by candlelight. Maybe we could take the train to London. I've got some real good friends out there. Maybe we could check out Strasbourg and Barcelona. Our love can take us anywhere. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this Once in a while, never place you wanna see, yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in the pizza, chillin' all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl, that'll never change. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in the pizza, chillin' all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go.
Now it's time to bring all the pieces together. I've got my hand-painted motifs, I've got my custom font, but right now they're all just separate pieces. This is probably one of the most favorite parts of the whole entire process because I never really know what the final print is going to look like. I like to bring everything into Canva and just play. I'll move things around, make them bigger, make them smaller, sort things out, and really just keep experimenting until I finally find something that just looks right. Sometimes it just comes together really quickly, but sometimes I'll stare at it for ages because something feels off and I won't even know what's wrong with it. But that's where I am right now. I'm just playing with everything. I'm trusting the process and seeing where it takes me. And hopefully by the end of this, all these little pieces will finally have turned into a print that's actually worth hanging on your wall.
Once in a while I dream. Once in a while I think of you. I reminisce on days gone by when you and I were new. Once in a while I dream, hoping that you'd return to me. But I know that you're not coming back, so once in a while I dream. Each moment passes like hours. Each day is dark as the night.
So thank you so much for watching. I'd love to know which part of the process was your favorite. Was it the painting the motifs? Was it creating the custom font? Was it bringing everything together in the final composition? Let me know in the comments.